Okay, turn it on.
Copper, stay down. Oh, I did get a little flame there. Stay down.
You see the flame here, but it won't. The burner's not lighting. That's it.
Want to do something like this, I would suggest get those 90-degree fittings. That regulator would be right there normally. It's just kind of an eyesore. They're great little grills.
So the far burner works, this middle burner works, but the edge burner
That doesn't kick on?
does not kick on. When I try to light it, it'll try, but then it shuts off immediately. Doesn't matter what the adjustment is.